a little tag for me?
Yes. Chain 1 and turn it. And make single crochet into every stitch around the back base until you reach the end of the row. So you have to make single crochet into the every. So do this single crochet around the back base from here to here, the end of the row, and I will meet you again. I will meet you again when I will come here. Now I have reached the end of the row. Now I will make a slip stitch. I will make a slip stitch in chain 1 space. Insert the hook in 1 chain space, yarn over, pull through the loop, pull through the another loop. Now keep repeating like row 1 until you will reach up to 26 row. I will make 26 row around the back base, and I will meet you again when the back length is near about 4.5 inches. I have made 26 row around the back base. Let me show you how much its length. Its length 4.5 inches. In centimeter it is 12 centimeter long. Now I am going to change the color. If you want, then you can continue with this color. Now I am using this white color yarn from here. Now I am making slip stitch with this new color yarn, and then make chain 1 and then put a stitch marker. Make single crochet each and every single chain again. I will make 4 rows using this color. After making 4 rows with this color, I will again change the yarn color into black. After completing my 4 rows, I will meet you again. I have completed my 4 rows with this color. Now I am again changing the yarn color. Likewise, cream white color yarn, I am making again 4 row with this black color, and again I will change the color into cream white color yarn. I have reached at my desired length. Let me show you how much it lengths. It is 33 cm long and 30 cm wide. And this is the bag base. Look at this bottom, how much thick it is. If you like this tote bag, then please do comment below and please subscribe my channel if you like my videos.